What's up, guys? It's your boy Steven Devey. What's up, guys? I hope you're having a great Sunday morning. I just wanted to give you guys this little update on the plans for the future. I want to start uploading some fitness as well as cars and a moto vlog almost every single day, just alternate between those three different pieces of content. So let me know what you think about the fitness and the bike or moto vlog content. I know you guys love the Mazdaspeed 6 videos, and there will be a lot more coming. A little update on my Mazdaspeed 6. It is still just sitting at EP. It's not blown up. My Mazdaspeed 6 is not blown up right now, but it is taken apart. That's why I haven't been driving it. I've just been letting it sit, trying to be patient while I build my motor. I have all the parts now. I just got my crank machined and ready to go, and so I'm almost ready to make the video on me building my forged Mazdaspeed 6 motor, but it's just gonna be a little bit longer, probably a week or so. I can't wait for that. I've also been porting my Mazdaspeed 6 head. Yes, porting, just matching each of the porting to the intake manifold, the exhaust to the exhaust manifold. It's all kind of confusing, but don't worry, there will be a video explaining it all, explaining my thoughts on it, as well as I'm gonna post a video right after this one explaining how to build a Mazdaspeed all the way from stock to 800 horsepower. It's just gonna be everything you need to know. So I hope you guys like that video. I hope you tune in, but don't worry, there will be a lot more Mazdaspeed 6 content as well as some new moto vlogs. So don't worry, guys, stay subscribed, stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.